Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is how to create a dynamic menu in PHP and MySQL. So in this process, I'm going to show you the overview of the process, what all steps I'm going to take to create a dynamic menu. So let me show you the index page. I'm using a bootstrap menu. You can see there are three menu: category, user and setting. Category and user menu is dynamic that are fetched from the database. In setting there are three sub menu add, sub menu add and permission. If I click on add menu, that's the panel to add menu and all the menu are displayed in list. I'm taking menu name and its icon. That's two thing I'm taking. And in menu list you can see two menu that are displayed on the navbar. After that, let's move to sub menu. In sub menu, first one is menu as drop down, then sub menu name. After that, URL to which page is going to redirect, like user add or user list.php. After that, there is want to show the drop down menu, yes or no. And last one is order of the menu, at which place you want to display that. And in left hand side, there is a list for sub menu. I have added some menu, for example. Let's move to permission. If I'll talk in software related, there are users with different positions like admin, accounts department, sales, all must be having different permissions. So there will be some menu that you don't want to display to accounts or sales department. So for that you can use permission panel according to user. So in user permission, firstly select user, then submit. On the next page, you can see the menu list with option for true or false. So you can choose true if you want to give permission or otherwise false. So let's move to database. In database, there are four tables: menu, menu user access, submenu, and user. Let me open the table. In menu, there are four columns: ID, name, icon, and status. And if I'll move to submenu, in submenu there is menu ID, that will be the ID from the menu table. After that, name of the submenu, URL, display, and order and status. If I'll go to menu user access, menu ID, submenu ID both needed to check the permission of menu, with user ID to which user the permission has been granted. So last table is user table with user ID, name, department and status. So that's the database structure for creating dynamic menu with user permission. I hope the overview is helpful to you. See you in the upcoming tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.